Hey, what is going on, guys? So I'm going to do a unboxing of my new Samsung Galaxy Note 8 here. I'll show you the box really fast, and we'll do a quick comparison between this, and I also have a previous generation, the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus here. I'll show you the box here really quickly. Now, I got the color in Orchid Gray, but there's several other colors that are available. You have Midnight Black, Maple Gold, Orchid Gray. Again, that's what I got. You also have a Deep Sea Blue. And there is another color called Star Pink, but it's only available in Taiwan. And down here, of course, is the personal information, my IMEI number and whatnot. Again, you can see a 64 gigs Orchid Gray. And let's pull this bad boy out. Alright, here we go. Wow, look at this. And right off the bat, here's my S8 Plus here. It's a little bit bigger, obviously. Let me go ahead and take off this plastic here. And wow, look at the camera lens back here. That is awesome compared to the S8 Plus. Let me pull this sticker off here. And we can see the front here. Take this off, and just a quick glance here, we can see the tray for the SD card as well as the SIM card. We got the power button here. You can see we got the volume rocker buttons here. And underneath we have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, charging point, and you have a speaker right here as well. And let me go ahead and boot this up. I'll give this I'll charge this wirelessly as well. It should charge wirelessly without even me going through the setup process. And then let me open this up here. I'll show you what other components come with it. And I got a SIM card from my carrier's T-Mobile here in the United States. And we'll take this out. So we have the instruction manual and whatnot in here. Startup guide. And from directly in the box, we have a AC adapter here. We have an adapter here from a micro USB to a USB Type-C, which is exactly what the Note 8 uses. Also, the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, they also use Type-C instead of the typical micro USB port you use on most of your Android phones. But sooner or later, it's all going to be Type-C because it's just faster. And you also have this OTG adapter out here as well. You can hook up like a keyboard and other things directly to your Note 8 via USB here. And right here you have the USB Type-C. And let's open this up. Okay, so here we have the earbuds. And Samsung really comes, the Samsung Galaxy phones really come with awesome earphones. It is 3.5 millimeter jack. And we have extra earbuds here. And of course you do get a Type-C charging cable right here. And what is this? Okay, some kind of clip here. Not exactly sure what this is, but let me just put that back in the box. And you also get a ejection tool for the SIM card tray or SD card. But even if you lose this, you can use the back of an earring stud or like some kind of skinny like bobby pin as well. So I have the phone booted up. Let me just bring out my wireless charger here. Let me pop this on here, and we should, there you go. Light is on. Let me move this over so you can see this. Light is on. It's at 39%. You can see that it's charging right now. I'll put a link below for this fast wireless charger as well. It's one of my favorite ones. And I'll give you a quick comparison here between the Galaxy S8 Plus and the Galaxy Note 8. Now, I did have a Galaxy Note 7, but if you guys remember, there was a worldwide recall because they kept catching on fire. So the Note 8 is slightly bigger. And we can look on the front here, and you can see the dimensions. Wow, look, it's obviously the Note 8 is definitely like a lot thicker than the S8 Plus, as you can see here. Look on the bottom here, all the ports are the same. Of course, you do have your stylus pen here as well. You can just eject that out, just like that. So I have two new drivers. It'll be two new daily drivers. It'll be my Note 8 and my iPhone X. And before this, it was my Samsung Galaxy 8 Plus and my iPhone 7. So that's right, I use Android and iPhone because there's really pros and cons to both. And I'll just give you like one more look between the S8 Plus and the Note 8 here. Well, there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And that's pretty much it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.